Hi, in this tutorial I show you um, how we can show swing low and swing high. For example, this is swing low because next candle and previous candle lows is higher than this low, and this is swing high because this high, next high and previous high is less than this high. So here we write swing high condition if previous high is higher than high and if previous high higher than two before high. And for swing low we change all to low, and we say if low is is less than. Okay, so we use plot shape maybe. If swing high else nah, and if swing low if swing low else. As you see, these are we should have one offset because it should come here, so we set offset to -1. As you see, it's okay. Here it should come here lilac, that below bar. No, haven't lilac in location. Here it lilac is for location that below bar. This one for swing low and this one for swing high. And to avoid repaint, we write bar state that is confirmed, and this avoid repainting. As you see now, it's easily showing swing high and swing low.